My name is Mackenzie, and I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate in computer science at King's College London. My research involves artificial intelligence and algorithmic fairness research. So I'm working on trying to mitigate bias or discrimination that can come from classification systems. I grew up in Seattle and went to some schools with some pretty awesome teachers who really got me excited about math and science and solving puzzles and problems at a young age. And then when I took my first computer science class in high school, I had no idea what it was to begin with, but a teacher who was my math teacher the year prior recommended I take it. So I gave it a go. Turns out I loved it, and I'm still doing it to this day. And once I got to university, I had some spectacular professors who encouraged me to try research. And again, I'm still here doing research in computer science. I think that's a really big and important question that people are still trying to tackle. It's going to take a long time to figure it out. But I think there are a few things that are true, and one is that we need to start breaking down those gender stereotypes at a young age, and that can be helped by just encouraging young girls to get into STEM, get into coding, all different kinds of things, and also have women role models that they can look up to, which is really important. And I think at then a higher level within the university or academia, we need more allyship across the board, because EDI projects are really important and crucial to tackle those very barriers. But I think we're lacking in having the more represented and less marginalized groups actually helping with these kinds of EDI initiatives.